So see, we are not taking away coffee from you. We say you drink, but drink like this. So those of you who are Vata body type, they can have 1 cup of coffee, and Pitta body type who are they can also have coffee, but at the same time that coffee should not be strong, that also should be light coffee. Because you are already fire, and if you are drinking coffee and you are a Pitta body type, you add something sweetness into the coffee because you are already Pitta body type. So sweet, whatever sweet taste, sweet coffee you will have, it decrease the heating effect of coffee. If you can use on organic cane sugar or any kind of product you can use, but add something sweet in the coffee, not honey. Honey is no combination with coffee. And if you are a Kapha body type and you love to have coffee, please don't use a lot of cream and a lot of milk in the coffee. You can have strong coffee if you want, because Kapha body type can easily digest coffee, but that I am not saying too much coffee. I am saying you can have coffee if you are like those of you who are not drinking very strong coffee and they are Kapha body type. Don't start after seeing this video, okay, let's go, let's have strong coffee. Don't do this. But if you are Kapha body type and you are already having strong coffee, then try to have it like without a lot of sugar, because if you are drinking coffee and if you are having a lot of sugar and a lot of cream in it, it will cause the weight gain, because you know Kapha element it will enhance, because the sweetener is all about elevation of Kapha, or whatever sweet thing, cream thing, milk things, it all elevate the Kapha in the body. So if you are, and that ultimately will cause the weight gain. So if you are a Kapha body type, you can have coffee without a lot of cream and milk, and light coffee also you can have if you want. Now let us see what is the best time to drink coffee, like at what time we should drink coffee. You should never ever drink coffee empty stomach, because it is not good for health if you are drinking coffee empty stomach. But if you are starting your day with fruits and then you are eating cooked food, and then if you are drinking coffee as a digestive aid, then it is good for health then, because you are drinking coffee as a digestive aid. So the best time to drink coffee is always after food. Never ever drink coffee empty stomach. That is very important point to know. And also, like, you need not to, those people who are asked like, we want to stop coffee, we didn't stop coffee, it's not good for health, not good for health. So if you are not able to give up this habit, at least do this much, like you first have your fruits, then your food, and then you can drink coffee. This much freedom you have, because coffee acts as a stimulant for digestive fire and for your mind also, because it has a lot of fiery properties in coffee. So we should use coffee, but in a sensible way, you know, first fruits, then food, then you can have coffee if you want. At the same time, if you are eating any sour thing in food, then take a gap about 40 to 50 minutes or 1 hour before having coffee. According to Ayurveda, a little bit coffee if you are drinking, it has medicinal value, because you know in Ayurveda it's been said that whatever is there on earth, if we use it wisely, it's a medicine. Otherwise, if you use medicine even an unwise way, it's poison. Anyway, medicine will become poison if you do not use it consciously. So it's been clear that if you are using coffee as a medicine, it is good. But if you are overdosing it, if you are overusing coffee, you are doing, then what will happen? It will cause your body dehydration. Ayurveda not recommend coffee more than 1 cup. So even for Kapha people, because you know for Kapha people coffee is good, but still for Kapha people we also recommend not to have coffee more than a cup. So 1 cup per day you can drink. More than that it is not good. And also you need to check out the previous symptoms which I have mentioned in this. But if you are not having these symptoms, you can have coffee, but not more than 1 cup. So the max coffee that you can drink is 1 cup, not more than that, and that's too after food, not empty stomach. And also we recommend, if you are drinking coffee, try to make out what is the source of coffee, from where coffee is coming. Always in my perception and in my opinion, and we recommend organic coffee. If you are drinking coffee, best to drink organic coffee because it will be free from pesticides, free from all the harmful chemicals. So let's see if the people who are drinking more than 2 cups of coffee and daily coffee is their daily food, like they daily have to have coffee, because we, like according to me, I am also Pitta body type, because sometimes I take coffee. Coffee is not my daily thing, daily I have to drink coffee, it's not like that, but also I like coffee and sometimes I also drink. So it is like because a lot of Pitta body types, so it doesn't suit much because I need to drink in a specific way, only then it's good for my system. We have noticed many times it happened like, okay, let's meet with friends in the evening, we go and hang out with friends. So, okay, let's have coffee. So, your plans are mostly pre-decided, like, okay, today we are going out and maybe we will have coffee. So, that time what you will do, even if you are Vata body type or Pitta body type, this second cup of coffee does not make much disturbance in the system. So, that day you plan your day like, hydrate yourself. How will you be hydrate? You will drink a lot of water that day, and you have a lot of fruits that day in advance, so that this, because coffee produce effect of dryness but on your body, it makes your body dry, but you already, if you have hydrated your body enough, then no problem, you can have even second cup if you want, but I don't recommend 2 cups, but only once you can have. But it's fine if it's happening. And sometimes if immediately you got plan, okay, let's have coffee. So before having coffee, because when you place order for coffee or go to the coffee place, you have a lot of time, at least minimum half hour. During that time, take 2 glasses of water. In emergency situations, you can do this and make your health better and save yourself from the harmful effects of coffee and enjoy the good effects of coffee. Also, it's very important, you need to check by yourself, like after drinking coffee, what is happening. If you drink like this way, like the way I am telling, definitely nothing will happen. But otherwise, the conscious way of knowing about coffee is just have coffee and see what it's doing to your system. Self check. I highly recommend you should drink coffee only according to your body type. And if you have any questions regarding coffee, you please write down to us. And if you want to know your body type, what is your body type, please go to our, down the link there is explanation about how to know your body type. There is a link, YouTube video, you can go, you can check, you can comment, you can share, and this is how we will tell you body type, and then enjoy your coffee the way you want. So this coffee video is for you guys, make use of it. And if you have some friend who is also addicted to coffee and he drinks coffee a lot, you can share this video and recommend this video for him, because in this way he will also feel good that somebody is there to take care of him. And it is so good, like because this, nothing can give more happiness than making people aware about certain things which are very helpful for them, because it doesn't take anything from us if we help someone, because it is just recommending, liking and just telling, tagging or sharing. It doesn't take much, but the thing is, maybe this small information can change somebody's life. Maybe somebody is so much coffee addict and he doesn't know what coffee does, and he is suffering from those symptoms of sleeplessness and insomnia and constipation, but he doesn't know what wrong he is doing. So just by sharing information, it can help. You can share with your friends in the office or your best friends, your family, so that their health will become much more better. And I hope it will be helpful for you, because we are trying our best to help you out. And also do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be in touch with our upcoming videos which are more related to health, wellness, various chronic ailments, lifestyle and much more. So with this, take care, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye. Done.